Hello, sir, madam. My name is Eunice Sanchez. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am a single parent. I have one child. I have 3 brothers, 2 sisters, and I am in the second in the family. I have tattoos, and I am a high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore. My duties and responsibilities are washing clothes, ironing clothes, marketing, and car wash. I know how to cook Filipino food like chicken adobo and sinigang. I am willing to learn to cook Chinese foods and to speak Mandarin language. I love taking care of children, giving them nutritious foods, giving them vitamins on time, bathing them every day, play with them, and I will love them as my own family. Sir, madam, please do hire me. I will do my very best, and I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, sir, madam.